How to hide followers list on Instagram. Hi everyone, welcome to the channel. This is Rose and I'm here to guide you on how to hide followers list on Instagram. Watch the video till the end and without any further ado, let's dive right into the video. Launch Instagram app on your device. Sign in to your account. Now tap the profile icon at bottom right corner of the screen and then select three-line icon at top right corner to access settings and activity page. Now you have to scroll down and locate the option of account privacy under who can see your content. Now make sure to make your account private, so toggle the button on. Tap switch to private button and tap OK button. So first of all, if your account is switched to professional, you need to switch to personal. For that, go to the settings page again. Scroll down to the bottom of the screen and select Creator Tools and Control under for Professionals. Scroll down, select Switch Account Type and switch to Personal Account and tap Switch to Personal Account again. Once you have done that, refresh your page again, and after that you have to select three-line icon and do the same process, that is making your account private. Tap switch to private, and when your account is private, only the followers you approve can see what you share, including your photos, videos or hashtag and location pages and your followers and following list. Once you do that, if you want to restrict the individual people to not see your followers list, and simply you need to click on the search icon at bottom left corner and tap the search bar and type in the username. Now tap three dots at top right corner and select restrict. Once you do that, you have to tap restrict and they won't be able to see our followers list on Instagram. So that's all for today. Hope this video helped you. Thank you for watching and see you in the next video.